Alright, this is how to earn with your Bybit Pay. Okay, you go to Bybit app, your Bybit app. If you don't have Bybit app, go to Play Store or Android, download Bybit. It's an exchange where we trade cryptocurrency. Okay, now this is my own, this is the interface of my own Bybit app. Okay, once you open it this way, just watch carefully and follow my instruction. Okay, how to earn with Bybit Pay. So this is what you do. Once you open this way, you click on more. You see where you have more, you see Bybit Pay. Let me tell you how to use Bybit Pay to make money. Now you click on more, allow it to load. Okay, just keep scrolling. Let's check. You are looking for Bybit Pay. Bybit Pay. Okay, can you see it here? This is Bybit Pay. Click on it. Good. Okay, I want to show you how you can use this your Bybit Pay, how to use it to receive crypto, and how to use it to send crypto, and how to use it to receive cryptocurrency. Okay, good. Now, for you to be able to receive cryptocurrency from someone that is equally using Bybit, for you to receive crypto from somebody, that person must also have Bybit. Are you getting it? So what do? You come here. Just hold on. You click on, let's see, send. Click on send. Assuming you have Bybit and I want to send you USD to worth $100. Okay, instead of demanding for your or requesting for your USDT address, anytime I want to send somebody cryptocurrency, you first of all request a wallet address. No. So if I'm using Bybit and you're using Bybit account, okay, the best thing is you can send money and receive money through this medium, these three medium, through Bybit ID, through phone number, through email address. So the person will send you, if I'm sending USDT to you now, I have Bybit, you send me that email address you use in creating your Bybit account. Are you getting it? Or that same phone number you use in creating your Bybit account, or your Bybit ID. Okay, assuming I want to send you USDT now, you send me your email address using creating your Bybit account. I'll put it here. Okay, I'll click on next. That way you proceed. You will see where you put the quantity of the USDT you want to say, maybe 100, maybe $50 USDT or $100 worth USDT. You type it there and forward it. In less than 2 minutes, the person will receive it in his own Bybit account, will sit in his Bybit wallet. Instead of requesting for USDT address, after USDT address, or you request for the person's phone number he used in creating that USDT account. Are you getting it? That phone number he used in creating, you request for it, or a Bybit ID. I'll forward, even if it's 1 million USDT, you will receive it sharply, less than 10 minutes. That's how to send. That's how to use Bybit Pay to send crypto to whoever you want to send crypto. I understand what I'm saying. Now, if you want to receive crypto from somebody that's using Bybit, you click on receive. This receive, you click on it. Okay, now what you do is you give the person your save QR code to scan, or you send your Bybit ID to the person. The person used and forward you the USDT, or forward you the BTC, or forward you the Ethereum. In less than 10 minutes, you will receive it in your wallet. Can you understand what I'm showing you now? Good. Now, another way to use your Bybit way to make money or receive money is, you can use it to pay for get your receive money through PayPal. Let's click on this PayPal. You click on this button here. I don't want to click on confirm. Okay, you can use it to receive money through here. Get your good. You can equally use it to receive money, receive gift card from friends. For receive gift card, click on this gift card. Let's click on continue. Let's see what is there. Let's just be patient, let it load. You can use it to shop for look at different gift card here. Vodafone, Visa, and the rest. There are so many of them. So you can use your Bybit Pay to shop for a gift card. To sell your gift card. You can equally use it to do giveaway. Yes, you can use it. Okay, this is gift card. Didn't I click it well? Let me check. My network is bad. Just stay patient. I'm trying to explain. Okay, the first one I clicked wasn't correct. You can use your Bybit Pay to sell your gift card. Can you see them? Can you see your gift card? Can you see them? So yes, you can still. Let me show you nothing you can do with that. You can use it to click on this gaming here. Okay, make money through online gaming. You see, this is where I came before. These are gaming app you can make money from. Okay, good. Let's go back again. Let's go back. Network is bad for my side. Okay, let's go. You can use it to recharge mobile recharge card. You can use your Bybit Pay, okay, to do your mobile recharge card. Let me click on it and see what is there. Allow it to load. Allow it to load. Be patient. Network is bad from my end. Okay, you can use it to subscribe for your utilities then. Internet or mobile services or utilities or all this television and the rest of it. So you can use it to recharge. Another thing you can do with Bybit Pay is a lot of things can do with it. A lot of things. You can use it for gaming. See it a gaming, gift card, recharge card, and you can use it to run giveaway too. Where is the giveaway I saw today? You can use it for giveaway. So that is it. That is it. I don't want this video to be long. Thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you in my next video. Thank you.